Select a figure from the options which will continue the pattern established below. We want to continue the pattern. Wonderful. We have star and this drum type, the stop clock type structure. The star moves to the left, stop clock moves one position to the left. Star comes inside, stop clock comes inside. Star stays as it is, star moves to the right, stop clock goes here. If you think about this, the stop clock has a pattern. This. The stop clock shape is going in this inner circle. The star moves from here to here, then here, then here. The star is taking the closest region out, where the stop clock moves in the inner square. The stop clock type shape moves here, 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 should be back on the top. We're looking for the stop clock to be back on the top, either here or here. Straight away we can say the shape is not like this. Shape is along the vertical or horizontal axis. It should be like this. This should be the answer. The star moves to the nearest region. It should be this. The star is correct, and the stop clock is this. Stop clock is along the axis where it has to go. So it is not like this. It always has to be like this, moving radially outwards. So this is the shape we are looking for. Choice A.